Hey there, Norman here from WoCode, and today we are going to learn how to unlock more design flexibility within the builder by learning how to add more than 4 columns into a row. Now, how it would normally work is that by default, you will only be allowed to add up to 4 columns per row. Today, we're going to learn how to add up to 16 columns per row. It's super powerful and it's super easy to do, so let's get started. We're going to jump into our builder here. We're going to have our empty row ready to go. Right click the empty row, go up to Edit Design, and in the Edit Design window, we'll locate the Full Bleed Row option. We will enable this. This is just going to give us full flexibility and the maximum amount of real estate within the row itself, so we can add as many columns as we need. Next, we're going to close that out. Now inside the row, you'll see that we have an empty column. So in here, we'll right click, we'll add column, and we'll do this 2 more times because we want to have a maximum of 4 empty columns within the row. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 empty columns. Within one of the empty columns, we'll right click, go up to add, we'll add inner row. Now we have an inner row with 2 empty columns, and now here we'll right click in one of those empty columns. We'll go to add column. Now we have 3 columns, and we'll do that 1 more time, and now we have 4 empty columns within the inner row itself. So now all we have to do is go ahead and copy this inner row, highlight one of the empty columns, right click, paste. Repeat that process, right click, paste into the empty column, and the last empty column, right click, paste. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 empty columns to work with. And of course, we can always go in and adjust the padding on all of these as needed and resize them if we'd like. Full flexibility, just as you normally would have with normal empty columns. But that'll do it. So in conclusion, you'll set your row to full width, then you'll add your inner row into that full width row. Within the inner row, add up to 4 columns each. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. It's a great, powerful way of adding more style and flexibility to your site's designs. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.